Are you tired of wasting time and money on online businesses that just don't work? What if I told you there's a proven automated system that can help you start earning today, even if you've never made a single dollar online before? Stay with me for the next few minutes and I'll introduce you to the Rapid Profit Machine, a free, done-for-you system designed to take the guesswork out of earning money online. Hi, my name is Sharath, and for months I've been searching for a way to create a consistent online income. Like you, I've faced countless dead ends, complicated systems, overwhelming tools, and promises that just don't deliver. That's why I'm so excited to share the Rapid Profit Machine with you today. In this video, I'll walk you through what RPM is, how it works, and how you can start using it to create real results for yourself. By the end, you'll have everything you need to start building your own online business, completely free. So, what exactly is the Rapid Profit Machine? RPM is a complete affiliate marketing system designed to help anyone, and I mean anyone, start earning money online. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been trying for years, this system is built to work for you. But before we dive deeper, let's take a moment to understand what affiliate marketing and funnels are and why they're essential for building an online income. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest and most effective ways to earn money online. If you're not familiar with it, don't worry. I'll explain it step by step. Here's how it works. You promote products or services from companies, and every time someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. Think of it like being a matchmaker between customers and products. You don't need to create your own products, handle customer service, or worry about shipping. Your job is simply to connect people with products they're already looking for. It's a great way to earn money online without a lot of upfront costs or experience. Now, let's talk about funnels. If you've never heard the term before, don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Think of a funnel like a step-by-step guide that helps someone go from being interested in a product to actually buying it. For example, imagine you're in a store. A good funnel is like having a friendly salesperson who shows you around, answers your questions, and helps you find exactly what you need. Funnels do the same thing. They guide potential customers through a series of steps, like signing up for a free offer, learning more about a product, and eventually making a purchase. Funnels are powerful because they make the buying process smooth and simple. The best part? With RPM, you don't have to build these funnels yourself. Everything is already done for you, so you can start using them right away. How to sign up for the Rapid Profit Machine. Okay, let's dive in and get you started with RPM. It's fast, simple, and best of all, completely free. Here's what you need to do. First, go to the link in the description below. This will take you directly to the Rapid Profit Machine sign-up page. Next, enter your name and email address. Once you've done that, you'll land on the RPM page. Here's the cool part. On the same page, you'll see testimonials from real people who've used RPM to start earning money online. Take a moment to check those out if you're curious. As you scroll, you'll also see a short video from James Neville Taylor, the creator of RPM. James is a highly respected digital entrepreneur and affiliate marketer who designed this system to help people like you achieve success online. Finally, click the button at the top to register yourself. Just enter your name and email again, and you'll be ready to dive into the system. Tools and features. Inside RPM. Now, let me show you what's inside the Rapid Profit Machine. When you sign up, you'll get immediate access to your own dashboard. Here's what you'll find. 1. Getting Started section. This section provides kickstart videos to help you understand what RPM is all about. It also encourages you to join the community for additional support. 2. My Product and Training. Here, you'll find a variety of courses to learn and grow your skills. These resources are tailored to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. 3. My Pages and Funnels. In this section, you'll find all the pre-built funnels. These funnels are ready to use and optimized to generate money by promoting the software. 4. My Leads and Members. This section includes a dashboard where you can track how many people have purchased the software through your promotions. Resources. Discover cool resources, including AI tools to help you generate content and much more. These tools are designed to make your journey easier. 6. Special Offers section. Get access to exclusive offers like MAB and RPM Pro. While these are not mandatory to start, they can significantly accelerate your journey by providing shortcuts, additional courses, and valuable resources. 7. High-quality leads. If you need leads, this section allows you to purchase them at a cheap rate, helping you jumpstart your promotion. 8. Community. Join a vibrant community on Facebook and School. This is where you'll connect with like-minded individuals and gain valuable insights. 9. Free promo materials. RPM provides free promotional materials to help you effectively market the software. 10. Integrations. Integrate with tools like webhooks, Aweber, Builderall, Systeme.io, Go High Level, and more to streamline your workflow. 11th Affiliate Manager section. Manage all your affiliate IDs in one place. This section makes it easy to keep track of your affiliate activities. With all these features at your fingertips, RPM equips you with everything you need to succeed. How to make money with RPM. Let's talk about how you can start earning money with the Rapid Profit Machine. It's as easy as following these 3 steps. Step 1. Set up your system. After signing up, you'll access ready-made funnels and pre-written email sequences. All you need to do is activate them and enable email automation. The setup is quick, with tutorials to guide you. Step 2. Promote your funnel. Focus on driving traffic to your funnel. Use RPM's pre-written social media posts, email templates, or even run paid ads. Start with free traffic sources like sharing in niche groups to keep costs low. Step 3. Earn commissions. Once traffic enters your funnel, the system takes over. It nurtures leads, follows up with emails, and converts them into sales, all on autopilot. Every sale through your funnel earns you commissions. Your job is simple. Drive traffic and let RPM handle the rest. Now that you've seen what the Rapid Profit Machine can do for you, it's time to take action. Click the link below to sign up for RPM. It's completely free to get started. Done-for-you funnels to convert leads into sales. Email automation to engage and close your audience. A supportive community and comprehensive training. A path to start earning without the guesswork. Don't wait. Your future starts now. Imagine what life could look like with a steady online income, more time, and the freedom to focus on what truly matters. Take the first step and join the RPM family today. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll be here to help.